In this tutorial, we'll be creating a bar chart displaying the US states with the top 5 largest veteran populations. Let's dive in. We'll revisit the same link we utilized in previous tutorials. This link houses all the US Census tables relevant to this tutorial. You can also find it in the description of this video. The table B21001_002E provides the veteran population data for each state. This is the only dataset we'll be using in this tutorial. We need to define 2 essential variables for our project. First up, we'll define DC_statehood, a flag that determines whether Washington, D.C. should be treated as a separate state for the U.S. library. Next, we'll set up the Census_API_key variable, setting it to the value of our key for the US Census API. The code displayed is nearly the same as the last tutorial. However, we'll be modifying it to use the new dataset and changing labels to reflect that. Don't worry about writing all this code down now. It will be included in the description of this video. We will now run the code and view our bar chart. Here are the 5 US states with the largest veteran populations organized in a bar chart. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.